Guys, I'm constantly being beeped and I'm yet to decipher what the beeps mean. It's a language of its own here in India.
Your head is pounding.
Yes.
So you're calling for a rickshaw.
Ah, okay. I just arrived in India in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I have 3 cameramen for filming. So I'm not sure why. So I'm just gonna wave.
Welcome India.
What's up, India?
What's up? बोलो guys. I think this is
Nice pickup. Thanks, Mercedes. Just feeling a bit nervous about the whole thing right now. You know, there have been quite a few last minute changes and my one priority to you guys is not letting you down. So I always want wherever I go in the world to be an opportunity for us to meet, and that's what I'm hoping is going to happen over the next few days with the meet and greets in Mumbai and Bangalore, and I cannot wait to see you guys. I'm pretty sure there are no lanes. Hustle and bustle. Things are happening. Oh, thank you very much. Yay! Do I look the part now? We are heading now to the first meet and greet here in Mumbai, and I cannot wait to meet you guys. We're about to head to Phoenix Market City in Kurla. It's a mall, and I'm gonna see you guys. Oh my god. My Indian fans are some of my most loyal fans, and so that's why I've flown to India to meet you guys, and it has all been possible for only 2 reasons. That's 2 of my favorite brands, Mercedes AMG here in India, big thanks to them. They're actually celebrating 25 years in India, and Michelin tires. They're one of the leading tire manufacturers in the world, and they've been around for a long time, 130 years manufacturing tires. So I'm with those 2 incredible brands, and that's why I was able to make it to India. So a big shout out to them. Thank you very much, and I'm super excited to be able to meet you. Look at this. Okay, let's open the roof. The 2 sliding doors come back, and now it's blue. Check this out.
Wow,
That's cool. You need more indicator lights on your car. You know where to come. Oh look, there are steering wheels. Random steering. Oh look at all these front bumpers here. Excuse me? You work here?
आप यहाँ काम करते हो?
Who works here? Can you ask him how much the brake lights cost?
Which brake light?
The one on the end.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Yeah. How much?
500.
500 rupees.
Only.
Rupees. Okay, thank you. Okay, so if you need some brake lights, you can get some for $7 in this area, and some sick rims. I didn't ask how much the rims were. Yeah.
Anything here?
You can get anything?
Yes, ma'am.
What else can you get?
About car.
Anything car related. Yeah, we need to go there. We need to do a whole new video along
Like
that street.
gearbox.
I want to see what they have.
Like seats.
Seats?
Yes.
Gearboxes?
Yes.
Really?
Look, every part which you need.
Tires, everything, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Okay, we're here. We're gonna do some Bollywood dancing on stage. And I'm gonna get a lesson first before we go up because I think that's quite important. So how does it start?
So basically your stomach is aching. Imagine your stomach is aching. So this is what you do. This.
That's what you do when your stomach aches? That's what I do.
This is a Bollywood.
I go like this. Oh, not this.
So it's like in India, you know,
Okay.
you do a over exaggerate.
Okay, so how is it?
Oh, my stomach is paining. Oh, my stomach is paining. Oh, my stomach is paining. Head is also paining. Head is also paining. Heart.
Heart is,
So yeah.
heart is pounding.
Yeah.
Stomach hurts, but heart is pounding.
Yeah.
Wait, what's this mean?
So I'll tell you what. Now the story.
I've got a runny nose.
So the story is
Yeah.
the story your stomach pains. We're creating like a Bollywood story.
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
Okay, so the Bollywood story is your stomach aches.
Yes.
Okay, your head is pounding.
Yes.
So you're calling for a rickshaw. Okay, City Bajai is calling for a rickshaw. Okay, and you still can't find the rickshaw. Arey, no rickshaw.
No rickshaw.
No rickshaw, no rickshaw. So then no rickshaw, so you have to still look for a rickshaw,
Right,
right?
right.
So look for the rickshaw. Look for the rickshaw. Look for the rickshaw. Yeah. So now you look for a rickshaw.
Yeah.
You still can't find a doctor.
Can't
You
find
a
one.
doctor.
Yeah, right.
So then suddenly after looking for the
Yeah,
rickshaw,
yeah.
oh, you found a doctor. So you're like, yay! Found a doctor. Yay!
Found a doctor.
Yay!
So this is how we do it. Okay.
There's a gift for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes. What is it? Come on. Out of love, lot of abundance and love, wealth and health.
Thank you very much. It's very sweet. I love it.
What's your name?
Thank you so much. Oh my god, you guys are so sweet. Oh, another one. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much. I'm going to read this later. Thank you very much. Unless you want me to expose everything here. Thank you. Thank you very much, Arian. You're a champion. Thank you so much.
Mumbai bounce. कुछ भी कभी हो सकता है
I love cars.
Yeah, I like cars too. High five. Love it. Thank you so much for coming. One day in Mumbai, now we're off to Bengaluru and we're going to meet you there. Hi, morning, how are you? Wow. Morning. It's a very good setup, I have to say. Yeah, it's very professional. Yeah. I know. It's an angel. Yeah, that's perfect. Bangalore! Woo! Bengaluru is what they call the Garden City. And I'm super impressed, like some awesome people here today, some awesome cars.
Especially for you.
It's crazy, man. Thank you so much. Look at this logo on the front of the R8. That is awesome.
Namaste.
Wow,
And,
namaste. Hello! I just wanted to come say hi quickly. Are you guys coming later on? To the Hamad Carbon Grub?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. So I'll see you guys there.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just wanted to come say hi. How are you guys?
Welcome to Bangalore.
All the phone's out. Hi. Thank you very much. It's beautiful here.
Yeah,
it's so green. There's so many trees. This is awesome. So these guys usually get together every Sunday and go for a bit of a ride, and they've organized all of this for me today, and I'm so humbled by that. That is so incredible. I'm just loving my trip to India so far. Massive thank you to D&D Media for helping to arrange this very professional meet. Shangri-La has put on an awesome event here as well. It's a great hotel, beautiful, overlooking the Garden City. And as soon as I got here, I was like, it's really green. Why is that? So many trees. And they're like, yeah, it's called the Garden City. So that makes sense. We've got a beautiful hotel room on the 17th floor. It's just looking over all of these incredible trees. Woo. Okay, let's go. First ever supercar run through India. Bangalore is the Silicon Valley of India. So there are a lot of entrepreneurs here, a lot of tech guys, and lots of nice cars. In the GTR, I'm loving because it's like the perfect car for the streets of India. It's fast, you've got the sound of the engine, you've got the power, but you've also got the comfort, and you've got a little bit more clearance than some of these other supercars around me right now. Driving on Michelin tires, same as what Lucy has, the Pilot Sport Cup 2, so they're ultra high performance tires. So I've got them for India, keep me safe. Super important to get the right tire, because it means the difference between you stopping in time and not stopping in time. And also for a supercar, it means ultra high performance. It means that you're going to go faster around a track if you have the right tire, and also the right pressure and everything like that, because it's all about the grip, right? You can go faster if you have the best grip, and that's what they work on. Guys, I'm constantly being beeped, and I'm yet to decipher what the beeps mean. It's a language of its own here in India. There's like a long, I'm being beeped, right? So, but I don't know what it means. There's like one long beep, and then there's like two short beeps, and then there's like someone constantly beeping. So I need to spend some more time here to try and work out what all these beeps mean. But they do mean it's a communication method for them on the road. Wow, there's just cement laying in the middle of the road.
Cement.
And a massive barrier that is stuck in the fast lane. This is so. Oh my god! You've got to keep your wits about you here, like something crazy. Just having like a concrete barrier stuck in the middle of the fast lane is so dangerous. Oh my god, there is a car driving the wrong way down this road. This is a highway. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, in the middle of the highway. No, I'm not letting all that smoke in. Oh my god. What is this place? Wow. So is that mandatory every time you do a U-turn? You have to do burnout? You want to learn how to drive? Come to Bangalore. Because if you can drive here, it means that you can drive anywhere in the world. This is like, your senses are awake. You have to be ready for anything. You've just got trucks coming in front of you, no notice whatsoever. They're doing 10 kilometers an hour, I'm doing 100. You've got dogs crossing the street. I haven't seen any cows yet, but I saw in Mumbai there was a cow just on the street. There's concrete barriers in the middle of the road that you need to slow down for. Literally, like in the fast lane, a whole barrier comes out right in front of you. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. It's fun. It's actually an experience driving here. Sometimes if you go to countries that have too many rules, it just gets a bit boring to drive. So it's cool because I know I'm being safe. You know, you need to be responsible for your own safety, and I know I'm driving safely. So having not as many rules is awesome. All right, we're back at the Shangri-La. Yeah, it couldn't have been a better experience. We got everything, literally. Animals, trucks, concrete barriers, supercars, every other car on earth, all on the same road at once. All the car owners here, all the guys who risk their lives every day on the roads of Bangalore. Yeah, okay.
You are curry my rice.
Yes! Thank you. I'm the curry to his rice.
One
Love
picture.
it.
Mercedes-Benz came to India,
Yeah.
right? Before that, we had our own luxury car.
Okay.
Okay, the car that was considered the epitome of luxury, made in India.
Yeah.
Okay, had a luxurious rear seat,
Okay.
and sort of that's the car that we have for you here.
Really?
As a surprise.
So I get something typically Indian, like Indian made, Indian loved.
Yes, it was made in India. It was one of the most luxurious cars, like I said,
Wow.
a vehicle that was looked upon by a lot of people
And what
as.
kind of era are we looking at? What?
This is a
decade?
1970. So like I said, it's older than
Okay.
Mercedes-Benz existence in
Okay,
India.
wow.
It is a Hindustan Motors ambassador.
Oh my god! Yes! This is exactly what I wanted. You guys rock. Man, I dropped that hint like just like tiny bit like yeah.
Thank you, sir. Maybe you want to roll down your window?
Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, it's all good, it's all good. It's all good, it's all good.
Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. You know when I say super car, you go Blondie. Sounds good? Super car! Super car! Super car! Namaskara, Bangalore! I love you guys. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Thank you so much for being here. There are two things that I love most in this world: supercars and you guys. You're so much fun. Guys, I'm so sorry. I was running a little bit. Thank you so much for waiting for me. It means the world to me. Sorry, you guys up here too. I don't even know you guys. Thank you. Who loves Lucy?
See, Lucy, how much love you've got.
Alright, so I have a question for you. Have you driven any made in India car yet?
Yes, I have.
Which one was that?
Do you guys know the DC Avanti? Wow, there you go. Everyone wants to be on my YouTube channel. Alright, okay, I'm gonna do it. Shall I do it? I'm gonna do it. Ready? Okay, hang on. Alright. Hold it, hang on.
Hang on, I can't see.
Just consulting Nick Cars, everyone. Okay, we're gonna start down this side. Okay, alright, okay.
Welcome to Bangalore.
Thank you so
I'm a
much.
big fan of yours, following you since a long time.
Oh my god, thank you.
And I just wanted to ask, which is your favorite car? Have you seen the rarest of cars around the world?
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask you, which is the favorite car you like?
I've got a couple, but which one? Thank you for coming. It's okay. Okay, we'll do some photos. Alright, here we go. This is the second ever Zero Carbon Cap.
they have such wonderful energy. So it was a great crowd. Bengaluru, you have some energy. I love that. That's great. Back to the hotel.